Bitcoin is absolutely soaring, but you shouldn't get caught up in the hype. Let's look at what the chart is telling us. Remember, I was telling you guys a couple days back, a couple weeks back during recorded videos, live shows on this channel, and live shows on Crypto Paradise that a bottom is likely near, a V-shaped recovery will be underway, and Bitcoin will be heading towards new all-time highs before you can even blink. And what do you know? We are seeing a price surge. Obviously, this is Todd Butterfield's 50% long on this major drawdown. When everybody was pooping their pants, we were looking to take fresh positions. I was then live in Crypto Paradise down here saying that we should see Bitcoin break above the moving average, but will run into major overhead resistance at the previous high and the 300 moving average around $88,000, where I put this red target on the chart. What do you know? We hit that target and sold off hard as NASDAQ went ahead and wanted to go to new all-time lows for this move after the tariff news that we've been fighting. Now, we have been seeing Bitcoin decouple from the stock market, outperforming the NASDAQ to the upside, which is in line with our thesis that Bitcoin should decouple, should follow more like gold as the digital gold, a digital hedge, but again, might be looking to follow emerging markets, which are looking to break out of an 11-year consolidation period, which could lead to what is the biggest and longest Bitcoin bull market in history. So in the long term, my prediction of 244,000 Bitcoin by the end of 2025 is still in play, but in the short term, let's pump the brakes just a little bit. Yes, we see Bitcoin ripping above $91,000 right now, but my first price objective on the short to midterm is still $96,500. This would be the measured move of this consolidation and breakout. This flag would end here at $96,000. And why I think this will be a milestone is because this gets you right back into all these major resistances that we see here right around here at 92,000 and back into this massive consolidation of $94,000 to $99,000. I don't think this just goes ahead and blows right through it. I think we hit in these levels, consolidate, maybe have a drawdown. People think the bull market is over once again. They are wrong once again. We bounce off the 90K level and head towards new all-time highs. So hold on tight, folks. There's always going to be volatility. Don't get caught up in your emotions. But in the long term, 244,000 Bitcoin by the end of 2025. In the short to midterm, major overhead resistance at 96,000. As Bitcoin is decoupling from the traditional markets, gold is at new all-time highs, and Bitcoin, of course, we know likes to catch up with the M2 money supply. And that global money supply is going up and to the right. I also see inflation down. Fed is going to pivot, go into quantitative easing, lower the interest rates, and Bitcoin is just getting started.